the BJP-led NDA has organized a massive show of strength in Guwahati, here with thousands of BJP supporters and supporters from its allies in Assam, like the Assam Gana Parishad and other parties which are part of the NDA in Assam. They have come here. This is a show of strength in the presence of Union Home Minister Amit Shah, and the timing is very crucial given the fact that Assam elections would be held in 2026 and about 6 months are left for the elections, and the BJP, that with the help of its regional partners like the Assam Gana Parishad, which had come to power in Assam in 2016, would like to retain power for the third time. And therefore, Amit Shah's visit is seen as a very significant visit. You can see here, this is a meeting of the grassroots functionaries of the NDA in Assam, the elected members of Panchayat, and these people have come from all across the state despite inclement weather conditions in Guwahati for the past couple of days. But you can see here, this huge turnout just goes to show that the BJP and its allies are perhaps ready for the ensuing elections. In fact, in this rally, Union Home Minister Amit Shah has given out a political narrative which will be the main political narrative as far as the BJP and its allies are concerned for the Assam elections, where it is going to once again take on its arch rival, the Congress, apart from the other regional parties, and also AIUDF, a party which is seen to have strong base among the minority Muslims. This rally, remember, comes after a series of eviction drive across Assam by the Himanta Biswa Sharma government, where the government is saying that it is freeing government land from the occupation of illegal settlers, mostly from Bengali Muslim community, which the BJP have claimed to be illegal infiltrators from Bangladesh. So therefore, the narrative has been set through this rally for the ensuing election, given the fact that only last month Congress leader Rahul Gandhi had also been in Assam and attacked the BJP. Now, led by the Union Home Minister, the entire NDA leadership and its grassroots functionaries in Assam have started its preparation for the 2026 big battle in Assam. Joining us at this moment on NDTV network is the Minister of State for External Affairs, Pabitra Margharita. A big moment for the BJP and the NDA here with the Union Home Minister addressing such a major rally. Is this the beginning of the roadmap for a political narrative to be set for the 2026 Assam election?
From your perspective, it may be another beginning, but the battle has started already. Battle against enforcement, battle against appeasement, and just after a while, Honorable Union Minister for Home Affairs, Paramadharaniya Amit Shah ji will address this huge gathering of the elected members of panchayats and local bodies. So they are the real bridge between our people, especially from the rural areas, and both the governments. So this is a very important rally, and we believe in the principle of Antudaya. We believe in decentralization of power. We believe in Panchayati Raj, and so this is a testament of our journey for the overall development of our rural areas.
Also, given the fact that only last month Congress had held a major rally in Assam with its top leaders. They are talking about, they're making some allegations about the government here. They're talking about vote chori. So, in terms of the political narrative in Assam, how the BJP and the allies would take it forward now?
So actually, especially if I speak about our state of Assam, we generally do not discuss about Congress because it is almost a forgotten chapter in the state of Assam. If the spokesperson of my political party BJP, if I make them relevant, no, so better not to discuss about them. Earlier, out of 14 seats, they won. The opposition Indi Gathbandhan won 5 seats, but now it has decreased to 3 seats. So day by day they are becoming irrelevant, especially because they support enforcement, they support appeasement, and their politics is limited to some certain areas I should not mention. So people of Assam has almost forgotten them. So better not to discuss and make them relevant.
Thanks a lot.